My new favourite song. It's so good. Go to the beach. What a song! So good. Right, this song's getting me through this AM's cardio. Starting off this morning with just 20 minutes on the air bike. That's it. The air bike's good because you can do sprints and kind of under sub 1-2 minutes to work on kind of your lactic acid threshold, and also just to work on your power, your strength, your explosiveness. But this morning we're working more on kind of the aerobic system, so we're just gonna move. The thing is with CrossFit, you need to have both systems. You need to have a powerful anaerobic system and you need to have an enduring aerobic system and all of that mid-ground in between. So you gotta do both types to build an engine. You can't just do powerful stuff, you can't just do long duration stuff. You need to do both. That's why it's called constantly varied functional fitness. It's a fun. Not really looking forward to this morning, if I'm gonna be honest. Caffeine or no caffeine? Caffeine or no caffeine? Caffeine to be fueled by the elderflower knocker this morning. My favourite one, for sure. I bet you would catch a nice second wind. We don't have to go home, we can leave the night on. Oh, that hurt. That hurt a lot. That's it. Hey Dad.
Hello. How you doing?
Oh damn. I got 297 calories. Oh, averaged like a 37 to 40 kilometre pace throughout. Are you excited for me leaving tomorrow, Dad?
Yeah, I can't wait.
America tomorrow, I literally can't wait. Look at these shoes. I haven't worn these shoes in a while. I just found them in the back of the cupboard. Old school.
Come on, fancy shoes.
Oh, I'm coming. Coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Not sure. Did you see my bracelet that Jazz got me?
No, is that your Christmas present?
Yeah, did you not see it? It's from my favourite quote. Jasmine got me this for Christmas and it's probably the most meaningful gift I have ever got. It's a St. Christopher for keeping me safe on my travels tomorrow, and on the back it says, "Today is a gift" engraved. It's from Kung Fu Panda. The quote has been on this channel before, but it is, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Basically, meaning live your life to the fullest. Because you get the gift of waking up every single day. To go out there and do exactly what you want to do. Live your life like it's a gift. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Where's your gym bag?
All I've got in my massive gym bag is a skipping rope and some wrist wraps. I need some more stash before I can warrant a bag that big.
The car park is looking a lot fuller than yesterday. And the gym's actually open. Success. Honestly, tonight I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just coming in to see everyone. First day back.
Yo!
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, mate.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. I don't know. Hey, bro.
Hey, bro. Oh, no. Okay, no, go here, go here.
Hey, man.
I didn't see you down there. Were you sat on the floor the whole time?
I was hiding.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'll go and send you every day.
Happy New Year, Ed.
Happy New Year.
You're looking swollen.
I'm tired.
What's wrong with you?
I've been doing squats and then toes to bar. Before class and I warm myself up.
Oh.
Two weights in it, so we're doing it one-handed and then use more. Yeah, boy. The audience. 4,000 people watching this. Okay, this is not to squat, and now I'm starting to try 100 pull-ups. Here we go. Come on, like good. Come on! That wasn't bad. It's like a power face.
Putting on knee supports tonight. Knee supports. keep your knee warm and to give you that little bit more support, especially if you're doing heavier sets and you've got longer breaks. Keep them on, a little bit less chance of injury. And preferably I just like wearing knee sleeves. I think they just feel nice when you're squatting. And one-handed pull-up, nearly there. Never tried one of them before. 5 sets of 5, 70% of your 1 rep max. Not sure if I'm going to build up that heavy today. Just see what happens. Both feeling a little bit drained tonight, and probably because the amount of AirDyne we've been doing, our legs are not like uber powerful. Like the 20 minutes I did earlier probably didn't help. I'm gonna scale back from what I usually do at like 150, 160 for 5 reps, and then we're just gonna do 130, but we're gonna do it paused. Some days you're just weaker than others. It's all part of training. Yes sir, this is what it's about.
Say dunks. Well done tonight.
Have a good time, mate.
See you in 11 days, bro.
Wait.
For old times.
2.
Yeah! Winning streak is back. See you in 10 days, bro. See ya. Oh. Very last minute packing going on right now. Got the essentials. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 caps. About 15 t-shirts. That's all we need. I'm the worst packer in the whole entire world. You're the best.
I know. It's a good job, I love you.
I would not have been able to do this without you.
I know.
Wasn't the strongest session tonight, but we just went in there basically to see the family. We got it done, but that is the last session now before we go to America tomorrow morning. We have the flight at 10:25 a.m. Leave here at like 6. I'm gonna miss Jazz. I haven't really explained why I'm going or who I'm going with or kind of where. I'm going to LA, Hollywood to go and chill with 8 other YouTubers in the YouTube house season 3. It's a season that I watched for the last 2 seasons and never thought I'd be a part of or get invited to be a part of. Obese to Beast, Meg Squats, Chelsea Lifts, Eric Electric, Brian Turner, Natural Stephanie. The list goes on and on. I'm uber excited. Also nervous because I've never been on a long haul flight before. God, this TV's playing car alarms. I've never flown longer than like 5 hours. Tomorrow is a 13-hour flight. Are you gonna miss me? Are you gonna send me loads of updates from CrossFit Faber so I can post them on the vlogs?
I will do.
We have, the case is nearly packed. This vlog needs to be finished and edited. All of the equipment packed up. So we got a good couple of hours ahead. It's now 11:30. So we will catch you guys in the next
1.
Boom.
And I will be there.
Currently when this vlog goes live, I will be getting on a plane. See you guys in America. Wait, I gotta give the Superman fish.